Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring alphabets and numbers. White color, black color, red color, yellow color, blue color, and the last one is green color. So kids, now we coloring shapes. So kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. First we use white color and draw A. Now we draw A. A for apple. The next one is B. Now we use black color. Black color. Now we draw the alphabet of B. And the next one is C. Now we use red color. Red color. Kids, now we draw C. C for cat. Now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cat, C for cow. Yellow color. Now we draw D. Kids, now we draw D. D for doll. And the next one is E. E for elephant, and the next one is F. F for fish. Now we use blue color. F. F for fish. Now we draw F. The next one is G. We again use blue color. G for goat. G for goat. And the next one is H. Now we use green color. Green color. H. The alphabet of H. H for hand. We again use green color and now we draw I. I for ice cream. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. K for kite. Now we draw L and use again black color. L for lion. L for lion. The next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw M. And the next one is N. N for nest. Now we draw N. N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. And now we again use yellow color, O for orange. Now we draw O. O for orange. We again use yellow color, and the next one is P. P for penguin. Kids, now we draw P. The next one is Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose. Kids, now we draw R and use blue color. R for rose. And the next one is S. S for sun. Now we draw S. And the next one is T. T for teacher. Now we draw U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Kids, the next one is W. Now we use green color. W for wolf. W for wolf. Now we draw X. X for X-ray. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. Kids, the next one is Z. Now we draw Z. Z for zoo. So kids, the next one is numbers. Now we coloring numbers. Red color. Now we coloring number, and first we use red color. Kids, first we draw the number of 0. Now we draw 0. The next one is 1. We again use red color. Now we draw 2. The number of 2. The next one is 3. And now we use black color. Kids, now we draw 3 and the next one is 4. The number of 4. The next one is 5. Now we draw 6 and use blue color. Now we use blue color and draw 6. The next one is 7. The number of 7. Now we draw 8. The next one is 9. Now we draw 9. So kids, today we draw numbers and alphabets. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.